Welcome to watchflix, your streaming champion. So watchflix is an all-in-one platform to schedule your movies, and also you can set your reminders, and you can invite your friends to collaborate with your watch list and all. So this is only one platform which you can explore all the movies, and you can schedule your movies at your list. It really reminds you. Let me go through details of this app. So this is Ganesh Openino basically from September, November 13th. So this is watchflix. These are beautiful home device. You can check the latest ones which is available here, and also you can also see this is such functionality. It really gives a more powerful service. Whenever you decide any movie, you can click on watch first. For example, James Bond. So within a day or night, you will get the James Bond movie name without any just refreshing any content. And we also do we also know reviews are very people are very interested in advanced search for while coming to the movies. So we also give an advanced search. So in the advanced search, you can able to select a genre, and also you can able to select from year to year, and also rating, and these are also sorted by popularity according to the watch list and time schedule. And while coming to this homepage, if you scroll down, there's a top 20 movies which you can check by browsing by language, and also you can check by family style movies, and also you can check by movies divided by genre wise, and you can check any of the action. When you go to select an action movie, so it really pops up all the action movies here. Whenever you scroll, it continuously loads all the action movies here until the database we have in action movies. And the best part was we are using a real-time API calling functionality here, so which is a very insane. We are up to date with the top trending movies. Is not in even It's not all dummy data, it's all a real data. When you click on any of the movie, you can find a beautiful home UI page, this movie page. And if you can also, if you want to watch a trailer of this movie, you can just click on the watch trailer. You will get a complete trailer of this that video. Not only this, if you want to watch this audio, watch this to add to watch list, you can click on add watch list. Whenever you add a watch list, our smart algorithm finds you well, and it suggests you a smart movie list. What are the smart movie list? Is It's based on the particular movie you are adding into a watch list. So you can just click on add to watch list. If you want like any one of the movie, you can click on add to watch, so it added to your watch list instantly. When coming back to this movie page, when you scroll down, there's an overview of the movie, and also it says where the movie is. So it actually reveals the pain point of for the user no need to search for the movie where it is. So it is actually it directly landed to that particular movie application. And also, if you can see, there's a movie information, this is release information, official information, and all. So you can find the complete movie information here, and also including the recommended movies. This is a very good option. So while coming back to while going to a watch list, if you can click on the watch list, you can see what are the movies added to your watch list. If you want, if you are already completed any watching of any one of the movie you completed watching, you can click on mark as watched. It jumps to already watched. And also where you can able to see a watch again also. If you want to see, if you want to watch again this movie, when you click on the watch again, it asks you to just sign in, because we given an excellent functionality here. Before explaining this, I want to show you one more thing. So here we given a three features. One is a remind me, and one is mark watched, one is remind me, and second is invite friends. So remind me, what happens it is, uh, yeah, we do understand the real pain point of movie watchers, because as personally, I was already I already added many movies into my watch list, but I never going to touch them. So I know I forgot every time. So that's the reason we created this remind me button. So when the user click on the remind me button, it asks you to log in. So here the real power comes. If you can see, if you can just think, and you can just take a look back, you can explore the complete application without login, because our intention is not collecting the users data. Our intention is serves the users. So that's the reason when you click on remind me, it asks you to log in. Until then it never asks you to log in any of the page. So when you click on remind me, how it works, let me log in and show you. And also we used a smart algorithm here. So if you are not user, and you have to actually you have to click on sign up, right? But here, if you are not user, you are in a sign in page and you try to sign in, a smart algorithm finds you, and it actually fetch from your data, in our database, and it's notify you, hey, you are not registered. But anyway, no worries, you don't need to change to any other pages. Let me create a login for you. And it creates a login for you and sign in instantly. You don't need to jump to a sign up page anymore. If you can see here, it says like this. So whenever I click on the skip. Yeah, so now this comes under a security feature. So if someone worry about the two-step authentication or the login part, so we added a two-step authentication also. If anyone want to interested in this two-step authentication, you can go ahead and set up the two-step authentication, or else you can feel free to skip for now. So if you can see, it will ask you to select the date and time. So here we are not losing the user concentration, because user already initiated a set a reminder option. So that time the pop-up will already shown up. So it not to go back, and I'm not going we are not going to go back the user, go back to back step and set the user set a click on the again set a reminder button. We are given a calendar here itself. We are using the state of concentration here itself. So the user simply select the date and time, and they click on the set as reminder. This application sent an message three times. One is initially right now, and second one is 3 hours before, 3 hours before your watch time, and third trigger was 30 minutes before your watch time. So there we are again remembering you. You are already fixed to watch. You already committed to watch this movie at this particular time. So kindly please arrange. Don't miss to watch this movie. Kindly please plan accordingly like that. So this is a great future option we implemented in this application. So let me go back. So we do also understand there are many users, they don't know what to search and how to search. So that's the reason we introduced our agent, the watchflix agent. So when you click on top bottom right corner, sorry, bottom right corner, you can see our movie assistant. So this is a watchflix movie assistant. If you want any movies, like if you are interested in some horror movie, you can just type horror movie. I'm looking for horror movie. So if you type I'm looking for horror movie, it's not only find the movie, it actually takes an action. It redirects and it takes you to that particular that page. So which means it's not a simple AI system. It's an agentic AI system we included here. So if you want like that, if you want any type of movie, you say like science fiction movie. Even I didn't type complete sentence, right? So it understands I'm looking for science fiction movies. See here the science fiction movies, and if you can see new movies, if you can ask new movies, it go and search for the new movies what are available, and it shows the new movies. And also you can see there's a all movies are 2025. So it understands, it's really knows and what it has to pick. So this is a smart system which we included as an AI assistant, which is really helpful for the users who are not who want to find it easily. Great, right? So coming back to functionality wise, if you click on add watch list functionality, when you click on add watch any functionality of all these movie cards, like if you can see there is you added to a watch list, you added to a watch list, right? So if you can see, I have set a couple of reminders in my account. So let us go back to the home page. if you can see the movies, if I hover the movies, if I'm planning to again watch this movie, because I have a confusion, right? Is it added to a watch list or not? Is it I added a reminder or not? So here the great functionality we added here. So when you hover it, it shows it added to watch list, and also you set a reminder. And this movie you added a watch list, but you haven't set any reminder. And if you can see the movies, if it is already watched, it marks as a tick. Let me show you that example also. So let us take this example movie. So as I marked watch, as I ticked as a mark at mark watched. So when I go back to the home page, if I can search for that movie, so it shows as mark as watched. Where is that movie? Let me find quickly. Mm-hmm. Yeah, here you go. So it says mark as watch, and it's give the button of watch again, right? So if you want to watch again this movie, when you click on this again, it added to your watch list. So how simple it is. So we make all the steps very simple, and we give a complete search functionality, a simple search and also advanced search, and including a agentic search, which is our agent. So our agent also have a so now the application has a complete brain, and this also reminds you, and also the most loud thing I forgot to mention, it is inviting your friend. It is inviting your friend. So you can just click on share invite friend. You can share the complete watch movie, which movie you are going to watch, what is the movie about, so all through your WhatsApp. It's cool, right? Great. So this is how our watch list application works. So this is a concept. The idea behind this concept is making a user experience very simple, very low, and a good clean UI, and also a reminding users to never forget to watch their favorite movie. So this is the concept behind Watchflix. Thank you.